Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best holiday cookie cutters you'll want in your kitchen this festive season. Whether you're a passionate home baker or just someone who loves a good holiday tradition, the Q Baker Large Christmas Cookie Cutter Set is going to be your new holiday favorite. Let's start with what makes this set a standout. This isn't your average cookie cutter pack. You're getting a 6-piece collection of classic Christmas shapes: gingerbread men, Christmas tree, snowflake, candy cane, Santa face, and snowman, each about 4 inches in size. These aren't tiny or flimsy. They're generously sized, perfect for bold, fun, and beautifully decorated cookies. Now, what about build quality? These cutters are made from food-safe stainless steel, sturdy, rust-resistant, and reliable. You don't have to worry about them bending or warping with use. Just a simple hand wash and dry, and they're good to go for the next batch. Whether you're baking dozens for a party or a cozy weekend at home, they'll hold their shape every time. And versatility? These cutters are not just for cookie dough. You can use them with fondant, pancakes, soft fruits, sandwiches, cheese, or even for some crafty clay creations with the kids. It's a tool set that brings creativity to life in more ways than one. Here's something that adds real value: the included recipe instruction. It's a thoughtful touch that helps you get started right away with holiday baking, even if you're new to it. You can follow the guide or put your own twist on it with icing, sprinkles, and colorful decorations. Let's talk practicality. With the consistent 4-inch size, your cookies bake evenly, and they're easy to decorate without being too delicate to handle. The defined edges give you clean cuts, and the shapes are instantly recognizable, a big win. Especially for decorating parties with kids or themed gift boxes. Looking to gift something fun and functional this season? This set is a great pick. It's festive, durable, and designed to delight. You could pair it with sprinkles, a rolling pin, and some icing tubes for a complete holiday baking bundle. So to wrap it up, the Q Baker 6-piece large Christmas cookie cutter set checks all the boxes. Quality materials, classic holiday shapes, ease of use, and that extra recipe guide for a quick start. It's built for the season and ready for joyful baking sessions with family and friends. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your holiday baking game, check out the link in the description and bring home the best cookie cutters for this festive season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more hands-on reviews and product guides. See you next time.